how to find off Facebook activity you've turned off Facebook on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find off Facebook activity you've turned off Facebook on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find the storylines at the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one, profile information. In this profile information, go down until you find this one of Facebook activity, and more options, and manage future activity, and click on it again, and here you will find active activity with me, turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.